Hello guys, today we touching a new subject, a new topic, which is constructors and destructors, right? So what are they, right? A constructor is just a class that initializes your objects automatically without you even doing whatever. And then a destructor, it's just clean up the object when it's not there anymore, okay? So let me show you. Okay, this is the last script. I will delete everything here. No, let me just use this one, right? Let me move my score in the public access, and then I will clean this up. Okay, now we have this one here. So a constructor is a way we can say create this, create that, so that our value will never be null or empty or initialized or unassigned, right? I will put it up here. A constructor will have the same name as the class name. This is a constructor, so let's assign it the name, right? So this here is the constructor. Actually, the constructor just assign default values to a class, like to class members, okay? So that when you calling a class or initializing something, it will never be null or empty, whatever. So now let me create a destructor. Again, a destructor will have the same class name, but we will have this sign before putting everything. This sign here, and now we can put the destructor name. Don't forget that. Always put the same name as the class. And then you can do whatever. And then you can do whatever you want here. For me, I will say, hold on. I will maybe just print something out, like an easy thing. Yeah, so that's the destructor actually. So the constructor is here. We initialize everything. The destructor is just this, when the data is cleaned up and the object is not there anymore. So for us to check this, we can just do this, right? In our main function, we can do a. And then we print information from P1. So yeah, this is basically everything we need. Now let me print, as you can see. Boom, this is how constructors and destructors are. First, we did initialize our data layer, and then we use whatever we did want to use, and after that we destroy the data. Just that. It's simple and it's really easy. You should use them sometime when you you need this to self-manage a data or an object, and to avoid maybe error or data loss or memory leak, whatever, right? So yeah, that's the point of constructors and destructors. Okay guys, see you for the next video. Ciao.